Semfufro emwa na opanyina wono na wotene mo se wo hene e wo dofo ye no North Tongu no emwo no eye nana anansi titiriku ya wotoso dumienu na nana e de arehwede mo de atoga na mampanyi na afi yaso ye hwe kronkuma na papa memmo nsamso enim se wosrada wo ba North Tongu no esododo ti be ya kampanimfo hwe na wonte foforo nka obefre ne se apa Tongu se be omo abenyo omo mpanimfo ne mpontudwuma se fata no wonsaka.
Paramount Chief Award of Traditional Area Nana Anansi Titriku Aotoso Dumienu Ede Adesede Ato Mampeni Akufuado Enim So Onhwena North Tongu District Womo Enchim Nomo Enti District Fufro Enfrim Abra Chief Justice Eni Yeboa Ekopiemu Ewo Mpatemu ho na okobi Circuit Court Ewo Dwapon Edema Omanfoi Ano Hini di tudwa se Womo Mpatemu ho no Esu Asenka Aban no Etimi Echema Eyade Ebebo Omanfo Ewo Womo Edwedie na di mpuntuju so about
stretching across the river water is undeniably vast, making it difficult for us to transact business with ease. We therefore wish to be considered under a new district to be called Upper Tongu District Assembly. His Lordship, finally, permit me to thank Premtobre Kasee, the fifth head and divisional chief of Vuma clan, and his elders for releasing the land for the construction of the court. We hope others will emulate this gesture towards development of the area and the country in general. Long live Judicial Service of Ghana. Long live One District One Factory. Long live Republic of Ghana. Thank you for your attention. God be with you.
District Chief Executive DC Owodwapon Osborn Divine ensun semo de to omanfo wo mpatemu onanim no ebini.
Now that we have a court, there'll be a lot of discipline in the system. Sanity will prevail, so that you refrain from all acts that will warrant that they are prosecuted in court. They should discipline themselves. And I also want to advise that those who work here, they should maintain the place and keep the place neat and maintain the property very well. That will last long for us. For me, I always seek for peace and unity. When we are united and when we love each other, some of these